Next time you are driving on a perfectly straight highway, look closely. It is not actually flat. If it were, rain would just pool on the surface, turning the road into a dangerous waterslide. Instead, engineers build a hidden slope into the road, called a normal crown. The center is slightly raised, dropping off exactly 2% toward the edges. It is steep enough to instantly shed water, but gentle enough that you never feel it. Every time you take a sharp corner, a phantom force is actively trying to throw your car off the road. This is centrifugal force. Your tires fight back with friction, but at high highway speeds, friction alone simply isn't enough. To keep you from flying into the ditch, engineers tilt the entire highway inward on a curve. This banking is called superelevation. Now, a slice of gravity actually pulls your car down the slope, acting as a massive invisible hand to help your tires. This battle of forces is perfectly balanced by a golden rule of highway design. E plus F equals V squared over 15R. The road's tilt and your tire's grip must exactly match your speed and the tightness of the curve. So, we know why roads bank, but here's the strange part. You can't just snap a highway from a roof-like crown straight into a banked curve. If you did, the sudden twist would launch cars right off the asphalt. Instead, engineers choreograph a smooth transition. First is the tangent runout. We take the outside lane, sloping down at 2%, and slowly lift it until it's perfectly flat. Then comes the superelevation runoff. We tilt the entire roadway up to the full banked angle, say 6%. And crucially, 2/3 of this twisting happens on the straightaway, so your car is already locked in before the turn even begins.